In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your engine coolant temperature sensor on your Kia Soul. It's located under the hood on the driver's side near the master cylinder. First thing you're going to do is disconnect your connector. Okay, so you're going to push down and disconnect. All right, make sure you have a drip pan below in case any coolant comes out after you take this out. You're going to use a 19mm socket, slide it onto the sensor, and take it out. All right, now we're going to put our new one in. It already has tape on it, so you don't have to add any. All right, so you're going to want to thread that in by hand at first. All right, we are going to be snugging this down and then torquing it to 28 foot-pounds. Once that's torqued, you can put your plug back on. Once it snaps, it's in place. Now that you've installed that, you're going to want to check your coolant, top it off if needed, and then start your vehicle, let it run, and make sure your temperature sensor is working properly. You're going to want to put a funnel of some sort, or if you have one of these, this fittings for it. This fitting fits. Make sure the rubber part goes in there. The rubber O-ring, and then you're gonna tighten down with the cap. Now you're able to fill this up, fill the radiator all the way up, and let the air come out with gravity at first until you have about it up to here. Then you'll start the car, and as the car warms up and the thermostat opens, the rest of the coolant will go where it belongs, and then you can top it off. Make sure that your cap is on tight.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.